If you're looking for a quick and effective way to use hashtag tools built into social media schedulers, you're in the right place. In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to leverage these built-in tools to save time and boost your engagement across platforms. Stick around because I've got a game-changing tip at the end that will make your life even easier. So, why use the hashtag tools built into social media schedulers? Well, these tools can automate the tedious process of finding the right hashtags for your posts. Instead of manually searching for trending hashtags or guessing what might work, this software helps you find the best ones directly within the scheduler itself. This not only saves you time, but ensures you're using hashtags that are likely to increase your reach. Let's get started with the first step. Once you're inside your social media scheduler, open up a new post. You'll usually see a section specifically for hashtags or a place to input them. This is where the built-in tools come in handy. They typically suggest popular hashtags, relevant to your post's content, niche, and target audience. You can either select the suggestions or add your own. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some schedulers allow you to filter hashtag suggestions by categories like trending, related, or even niche-specific hashtags. This feature makes it so much easier to pick hashtags that are most likely to perform well. Plus, you'll often get insights into the popularity or performance of those hashtags, helping you make data-driven decisions. This is a huge time saver because you no longer have to rely on guesswork. But what if you need more targeted suggestions? Many schedulers allow you to search for hashtags based on keywords or topics you're posting about. Simply enter a keyword related to your post, and the tool will return hashtags with the highest engagement for that term. It's like having a hashtag research assistant right at your fingertips. If you want to take it a step further, some schedulers let you save hashtag sets. This is perfect if you have recurring themes or campaigns. You can quickly apply these sets to future posts, making your workflow even more efficient. For example, if you're running a weekly promotion, you can save a specific set of hashtags for that. And the next time, you won't have to start from scratch. Here's a pro tip. Use a mix of broad and niche-specific hashtags. Broad hashtags give you a wider audience, but niche-specific ones help you target a more engaged and relevant audience. This combination is key to a balanced strategy. And here's a bonus. Many schedulers will automatically optimize your hashtag usage. They'll suggest a balanced number of hashtags, preventing you from overloading your post, which can actually hurt your reach. This ensures you're hitting the sweet spot with the right amount of hashtags. Before I wrap up, if you want to follow along with this exact software I'm using today, you can get an exclusive free trial through the link in the description below. This offer is only available for my viewers, so don't miss out. Key takeaway, hashtag tools built into social media schedulers are a fantastic way to save time and enhance your social media strategy. You can easily find relevant hashtags, track performance, and apply them efficiently to increase your reach. Remember to mix broad and niche hashtags, and take advantage of the saved sets feature if your content follows regular themes. To recap, we've covered how to use built-in hashtag tools to find the best hashtags for your content, how to save time with automated suggestions, and how to optimize your strategy by targeting both broad and niche audiences. And don't forget, if you want to try this software for yourself, the exclusive free trial link is waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching.